Users who create passwords often choose simple words or phrases that they can easily remember. These passwords, however, will not pose a challenge for hackers and can even be easily guessed without any use of technology. The YetiForce password security functionality is the next step YetiForce CRM took to improve the security of data stored in the system by verifying users' passwords. The YetiForce server uses a list of passwords that have been leaked as a result of hacker attacks worldwide, provided by haveibeenpwned.com. You can also create your own database of stolen passwords by adding your server address in the configuration file. For the YetiForce password security functionality to work properly, it must first be enabled in the System Settings in the Security Password Configuration tab. This panel allows you to set basic requirements for users' passwords, force password changes, and configure YetiForce password security settings. To activate it, tick the password cannot be in the stolen passwords database checkbox. Here you can also change how frequently the YetiForce CRM system checks whether or not your password is in the stolen passwords database. In practice, YetiForce password security is applicable in 3 cases: when you create a new user, when you change an existing user's password, and when users log in. Let's start from creating a new user. You can see 2 additional buttons when you create a user. A button that allows you to preview the password you just entered, and one that checks if the password is compliant with the requirements. In our case, the system requires a password that is at least 8 characters long and includes numbers and capital letters. So let's try to enter one of the easiest and most infamous passwords, password 1. After pressing the password verification button, we'll see a notification that our password was found in the stolen passwords database, and the system will not allow us to use this particular password. The new user will be saved only when we choose a password that is not found in the database. If you want to change the password for an existing user, after selecting the user, click Change Password at the top of the page and follow the instructions in the pop-up window. When we enter a password that the system can find in the stolen passwords database, we will not be able to save any changes until we use a secure password. When you log in, the system will warn you about your password in 2 cases: when you have just purchased the YetiForce password security extension and the system detects that the password you are using isn't safe, or if the password you are using has recently been added to the stolen passwords database. When the user enters their credentials and clicks the login button, the system will ask them to change the password. Similarly to creating new users and resetting their passwords, only secure passwords will be accepted when the password is changed.